How to fix Instagram user not found on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram user not found. First, open Play Store and make sure Instagram is updated and just click update. Now go back, go to settings and then apps and apps again, and here type Instagram and click on it, click force stop, then storage, clear cache, and that's it. Now turn off Wi-Fi and turn it on again and go back, try again. And if you have an iPhone, just open your settings and scroll down until you find general and then click on it, click iPhone storage and then click Instagram and click offload, and that's it. Don't forget to like and see you in the next video.